Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, solid-state drive, left trunk, left support bracket, and heatsink. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the I/O board ZIF connector and disconnect the I/O board ribbon cable from the I/O board. Lift the edge of the I/O board off of the alignment pins on the top cover. Slide the external connectors out of the cutouts and remove. Replacement. Tow the external connectors on the I/O board into the cutouts in the top cover and lower it onto the alignment pins. Insert the I/O board ribbon cable into the I/O board ZIF connector on the I/O board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.